Well, hello everyone and welcome back to Sharon Cullen Art. I'm just working in my nature journal today, just sitting on the couch. I only had a few minutes between packing boxes, so I was thinking about my weeping cherry tree in my backyard and how much I'm going to miss it. And I used to have a Washington cherry also that died after our first year in our home. So I decided to draw that one, and then I decided to draw my weeping cherry tree, which I thought was a dwarf weeping cherry, and it ended up to be about 30 feet tall. So it's a beautiful tree, and I'm really going to miss it when I move. So anyway, I started out sketching with a Prismacolor, a red Prismacolor color erase. Prismacolor color erase pencil. I always have trouble saying that. I want to say color erase, but it's color erase. And I used that, and then I went over it with my Metro Retro ballpoint pen, which has waterproof ink in it, and then I went over it with watercolor. And so after I drew that one, I decided to sketch my weeping cherry as well. This tree is a beautiful tree, and like I said, I thought it was a dwarf, and it's huge. When it blooms, it is just gorgeous. I also, it's not blooming yet. I also have 2 crabapple trees in my yard right at my deck, and they're beautiful, and they all start blooming at the same time. They should be blooming in a few weeks. The crabapples have buds on them, so I'm excited about that. I won't be able to plant, I can plant them up north, but I'm going to have to haul in a ton of topsoil in order to plant them because all we have is sand. So, it'll be a challenge, but I'm going to try. So this is basically it for my nature journal for today. I just wanted to get in something quick, and I decided to post it, so I hope you all enjoy it. And subscribe if you haven't already. Please like the video if you enjoyed it. And remember, be courageous, paint with wild abandon, and most of all, be kind to each other. Take care.